Starting around 12 October 2023, Dogelon Mars truly is exchanging at $0.00000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in essentially very most recent 60 minutes, which generally for the most part is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Elon actually by and large has a very sort of complete market cap of $74,703,902, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,365,880, which generally basically is genuinely critical, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense generally makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, truly positioning at 285 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part certainly thought in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that you basically in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of generally is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars explicitly be certainly really worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Dogelon Mars an especially wise speculation or reasonably exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, in a genuinely significant manner and a kind of significant manner? Will Elon value sort of outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in a for the most part huge manner and a fundamentally significant manner? These fundamentally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in a very huge manner. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost especially is supposed to commonly explicitly cross a sort of lovely normal value level of $0.00000018. The normal especially kind of least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the kind of essentially current year, ought to in every way that really matters, generally be $0.00000018 in an exceptionally large way, which truly is very critical. Besides, Elon can especially by and large arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.00000020, or so they in a real sense thought. Elon value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially for the most part is determined to truly generally be at around a very least worth of $0.00000015. So starting around 12 October 2023, Dogelon Mars by and large explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in every practical sense. Especially most recent 1 hour in an essentially especially significant manner, or so they explicitly thought. The Dogelon Mars value worth can basically arrive at a by and large really limit of $0.00000017, with the sort of kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, in a kind of significant way in a truly significant manner. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large is gauged to generally be at around an especially least worth of $0.00000016 in an unpretentious manner, or so they generally thought. The Dogelon Mars value worth can essentially especially arrive at an especially limit of $0.00000017, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, exhibiting how these sort of are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, in a kind of large manner, or so they in a real sense thought. Elon value gauge October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Elon may quite arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a fundamentally beautiful least cost of around $0.00000017, for the most part kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they basically thought. Discussing the very beautiful typical value, Elon can actually certainly stretch around $0.00000017 for October, or so they fundamentally thought in a genuinely significant manner. Dogelon Mars value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars for the most part is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least $0.00000017, which vary is genuinely huge in a genuinely significant manner. Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part arrive at a sort of kind of limit of $0.000000019, with the super typical cost of $0.000000018 in United States dollars, which explicitly essentially is genuinely critical, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Elon value figure December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogelon Mars quite all expectations and objects is supposed to generally truly arrive at a truly kind of least value worth of $0.000000018, which for the most part shows that Elon value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large is determined to for the most part be at around an especially least worth of $0.000000015, so starting around 12 October 2023 Dogelon Mars basically in a real sense is exchanging at $0.000000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a pretty exceptionally huge manner, or so they truly thought. The Elon cost could sort of especially arrive at a fundamentally truly greatest cost of $0.000000020 with the in every practical sense really normal cost around $0.000000018, so starting around 12 October 2023 Dogelon Mars basically in a real sense is exchanging at $0.000000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars decently passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars' cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 1.94% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, or so they essentially thought, which certainly is very huge. From especially sort of most recent 7 days the Elon by and large was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.48%, demonstrating the way that the Dogelon Mars value worth can in a real sense fundamentally arrive at an especially truly limit of $0.000000017, with the especially certainly normal exchanging worth of $0.000000016 in United States dollars. For the most part beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars actually for the most part has shown areas of strength for fundamentally of potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to sort of essentially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Elon for the most part in every practical sense has a truly complete market cap of $74,703,902, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,365,880 in a sort of huge manner. Dogelon Mars